In this video, I'm going to show you how to add YouTube channel link to your Facebook profile. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up YouTube app, then right here at the top right corner, hit at your YouTube profile picture or to your channel picture, then hit at your channel. And once you are at your channel page, hit at that three dots icon and then select share. Next, hit on copy link that copies your channel link to a clipboard. Now you can hop out YouTube and then open up Facebook app. Once you are on Facebook, hit at your profile picture and then hit on edit profile. Then scroll down to the very bottom where you can find links. After that, hit on edit and then hit on add social link. First, select a platform. I'll pick YouTube and then right here just paste the link that you have just copied. After that, you have to delete all that part except your username. Just in that way you can simply do it. After that, you can hit on done and then hit on save. After that, you can hit at that arrow to move to your Facebook profile, and right here, as you can see, I have just added new YouTube link to my YouTube video channel. I hope it helps you guys, so don't forget to like and subscribe.